What is going on? Well, have you guys figured out how to get out of the Matrix yet? That's an odd noise. I don't know where those come from. Those little spurts like that. I could just... Hey, one of the go-to explanations, it's atmospheric condition noise and blah, blah, blah. Hell, I don't know for sure. I wouldn't know how to prove that or gain evidence of that or even see if there's anybody's got any evidence or proof of that. What was that? That was weird. What the hell was that? Should I see it for a second? Should I sit here and see if it pops back in there again? That was weird. I don't know. I'll stop it here though.